Hi guys, right, I just thought I'd do a bit of a video, just testing it. Got to take the seals out of this brake caliper as it failed the other day. Obviously this one's a Takiko, pulls apart, but you can do it with the standard Thundercat one as well without taking the blue points out. So I'm going to show you how to do it while the caliper's off and you don't have to pump the lever. It does move kind of free, but it works the same either way. So what I have to do, I'm going to tighten this one back up. Just so it forms a bit of a seal, so I'll get the pressure in it. So the pressure in it now. Probably best to go through this point where the line goes onto. Make sure the nipple's done up so we can create some pressure. As you can see, pistons are stuck out a little bit. It's no problem. They are free. Just push them in. And then I'm just going to use some basic tools for this. The only thing you will need is a compressor. Get some air in it. So, I'm going to use a clamp and another clamp. Get your clamp. You could use a piece of wood, block of aluminium, anything you can. Wedge it in between there. So the pistons can't come out on that side. What I tend to do, and get me with a smaller clamp again, clamp the top of the bottom piston. Doesn't have to be hard, just so it can't move. So it's like that. Yeah? So that bottom one on the right hand side is free. What I'm going to do, get some air in the top, you'll hear it pop. Boom. As you can see, piston's popped out. What I tend to do, take the piston out. Take this clamp off now. Straighten the piston up. Take the seal out, or both of them. Run it around a little scriber. There you go, both seals are out. Get the piston, drop it back in place. When you put the piston back in place, you create enough pressure to pop the other ones out without having to try and get them all out at once. Now this one wants to be awkward. Get me out of the dry. So, same principle on the next one. We clamp that one in place. When it wants to go. There you go. So then, the one you've just popped out, clamp on there. Same again. The other side's already covered, so the pistons can't pop out. Just watch your face, because the pistons do pop quite hard. Hear it pop again. There you go, second piston. Take the clamp off. Turn the piston round. Obviously you've got to be careful with taking the seals out because you don't want to scratch or score anything. So some people use like cocktail sticks or something quite soft. There you go, both out. And the same principle on the side. So we pop this piston back in. They do slide in relatively easily normally. Sometimes it's a bit of enticing. Try not to put too much pressure on it because you don't want to damage the piston. There we go. And then same principle on the other side. So we need to open that up, flip, clamp, block of wood, anything you've got over the other side so it creates not much of a gap. Clamp on that one this time. And there we go again. Nearly out. There we go. Pop. Trying to see how I cooked the fluid on these the other day because the brakes failed on me. Seal out. Piston back in. Now I'm lucky enough to have brake lines, air lines in the factory, so I can use those. I have done it before with a can of pressurised air. If the seals are not too bad and too corroded, it doesn't take a massive amount of pressure to do it, but if you take it to any car garage or anywhere like that, or if you've got a compressor or anybody knows one, then it's a relatively easy job. Pop that piston back in, and then when to go, same again, clamp that one. You say clamp it, doesn't have to be hard, just needs to stop it moving, that's all, to pop back out to give it the pressure. And then last one. Seal out. Try not to get brake fluid in your eye. And there you go. As you can see, if you can, or if you will, the fluid inside there is disgusting. It is vile, so it's well gone. There you go, piston out, and I'll just break that now, split it back in half, and redo the seals. Obviously with the Thundercat ones, you either take the blue point out, or you can kind of get in there. I've done that with my last ones, I didn't split them. I just kind of grim bared it, but it's doable. And there you go, that's how you take the pistons out and the seals out without leaving the, or after taking the calipers off the bike. Take it easy, guys.